see why they didn't label it.
There we go. Very excited. I went to the damn Mac store 4 times before I just finally ordered it online. All right.